Dear students, today our topic is universal gate. We discuss about the various gate, basic gates, universal gates and arithmetic gates. Now among that today we start with the universal gate, and as we know the universal gate types is a NAND gate and NOR gate. So our question is arise, why are the NAND and NOR gates known as a universal gate? Because they can implement any Boolean logic without needing any other gate. So they can develop a Boolean logic with the only and only NAND or NOR. That's why they can be used to design any logic gate too. So moreover, they are widely used in ICs because they are easier and economical to fabricate. Okay, so this is our first one. Then how to design all gates using NAND and NOR logic gates? So usually using this universal gate we can derive all the basic gates, logic gates, XNOR gates and their inverse gates. So it takes a bit of trial and error, or you can use Boolean logic to obtain this. So you have the equations for the NAND gate and for the NOR gate. So this is the main two questions that arise, why we are using the NAND and NOR gate as a universal gate. Now the NAND gate as a universal gate, we start with the NAND gate as a universal gate. So AND, OR and NOT. So these are the three gates is called as a basic gates. So as we know that these three gates known as basic gates. Okay, basic gate. So these basic gates are sufficient to implement any digital system. So if you know very well about the AND, OR and NOT, then use of these three we can convert any gate of logic gates. So here we try to discuss about the NAND gate. So first we convert this NAND gate into basic gate, and with use of this basic gate we can convert any gate. Okay, so this is our motto to design NAND gate as a universal gate. If we convert NAND or NOR to these three, we can say that we can implement any digital system by NAND gate or NOR alone. Okay, so these 2 points. Now logic gates. So we have just remember or some revision about the gate and its truth tables and its Boolean expressions. So this is our recap. So NOT gate. So as we know that the NOT gate is equal to y is equal to a bar. If input is 0, then output is 1, and input is 1, the output is 0. Same way the AND gate, the y is equal to a dot b, and output is 0 0 0 1. So this is our input is fixed 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Then after OR gate, then OR gate is equal to y is equal to a plus b, and our output is change 0 1 1 1. So these three gates are the basic gates. So you have to remember about these three gates. And now we want to prove that the NAND gate is a universal gate. Here NAND gate y is equal to a dot b bar, and its output truth table is a 1 1 1 0. So we have to convert this NAND gate in among the three gates in a universal mode. So same way the NOR gate, if the input is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, the output will be 1 0 0 0. So here NOR gate, as we know, a plus b bar, and then after if the XOR gate, the output is 0 1 1 0. Here XOR gate we have to know that a plus circle b, or also we can consider as a bar b plus a b bar. Then after XNOR gate, the output is a 1 0 0 1. Here is only the complement of the XOR gate, output complement of the XOR gate, means a plus circle b bar. So this is our revision of the logic gates. Now we want to develop the all gates with the use of only and only AND gate. Okay, let's start. So first our gate is a NAND as a NOT. Now we know that the NOT gate is a single input gate. Now here for the NOT gate we have to know that the y is equal to A dot B bar for NAND gate. Okay, and here A and B, they are two input, but here NOT gate is always for the single input, so we have to consider single input A as a two input. So Y is equal to A dot A bar. So here B, instead of B we are using A. At that point A dot A is equal to A and bar is common, means A bar. So this is a value of NOT gate. This is the Boolean expression of NOT gate. So we have to change here from NAND to NOT. We have to take an input both as A. So what is the diagram is here? So two input NAND gate. So here our NAND gate, but A, and instead of B here write A. So output will be A bar. So this is Y is equal to A bar. This consider as a NOT gate. So this is our conversion of NAND as a NOT. Now second one is a NAND as a AND gate. Now we know that for the NAND as a NOR gate, we have to just remember about this cycle. Suppose NAND gate we have to convert into AND, we just here implied NOT gate. So NAND to write this way. Suppose AND gate and applied NOT gate, then it will be convert AND gate. So what happened here? So two input just A and B, we just give here is the AND gate. Okay, and then convert, then it is a Y is equal to A dot B bar. Okay, so AND gate and then in convert, so we get this NAND gate. Same way for the NAND gate we have to also change. So this one is called as a NAND gate, this one is called as a NAND gate. Now we want to develop the AND gate. So what happen here? Just you take one NAND gate A and B. Now we want to convert, because NOT to AND you use to NOT, but we know that the NOT will be designed same way here. So we taken as a NOT gate here. So this is a NOT as a AND, and this is a NAND gate. Okay, so this will output is a Y is equal to A dot B, because here output is A dot B bar, and here output is A dot B bar and bar, so A dot B. So this will using this two NAND gate we develop the AND gate. Here we are using only one and here using two. Okay, so these two. Now we considering about the NAND as a NOR gate. Now remember NAND as a NOR gate, we should have some confusion, or we should have to remember, because in OR gate our Y is equal to A plus B, and here our NAND gate we are having Y is equal to A dot B bar. So this dot product we want to convert in plus product or additional product. So this will be using some relations or some rules we have to develop. So here we using De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law, it will be A dot B bar, it means is equal to A bar plus B bar. So using this theorem we have to convert this NAND gate into OR gate. NAND gate into OR gate in form of dot product. So for that we have just take, because here we require A bar and B bar, so take where input 1 using a NAND gate here. So I here applied A, the output is A bar. So as a NAND as a NOT here I implied. Same way I take a second input and convert into B bar form. Now we want to check these two given into the another NAND gate. We are using here only the NAND gate. Okay, only the NAND gate. So what happened here? So A bar dot B bar and whole bar. Okay, A bar dot B bar dot whole bar. Now, as per the De Morgan's law, we have to check what is the happening. Suppose A bar I consider as a X and B bar I consider as a Y and bar. So implement here X bar plus Y bar. Now we have put here for X is equal to A bar and Y is equal to B bar. So here A bar then B bar to bar. So this will be changed A plus B. So this is similar to our OR gate. So these three gate set in this manner, 1, 2 and 3 NAND gate, we can make a NAND as a NOR gate. So at that gate proof we have to use De Morgan's law. So this is our NAND as a OR gate. And NAND as a NOR gate, so we know that any, suppose this is a OR gate and we have change in a NOR form, or we have to, suppose this is a NOR gate and this is a converted here, we can change into the form of OR gate, or same way OR to NOR. So here we require only the gate, instead of increasing only the one gate in a in forward position to the here OR gate. So here is our diagram. This is our single input A bar, then B bar. So this is our A B and A bar, then B bar joins together and make first OR gate. So this is our A plus B OR gate, and we want to convert in a form of A plus B bar. So here just we put one another AND gate which is used for the conversion of our input. So A plus B bar. So this is equivalent to our NOR gate. So this way we can develop by using 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this NAND as a NOR we are using 4 NAND gate. Same way we are using as a 3 NAND gate. So same way we have to remember about this particular gates about the design. Now our next one is how to make the exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate. So in this way we have to discuss in a detail that we have to remember about the equation or formula. What is the formula of construction of XOR gate? Now here we know that for the XOR gate Y is equal to A plus circle B. Also we can written as A bar B plus A B bar. Now in this fashion we have easy to develop this portion and this portion. This is a dot product. So we have just taken first A bar. So I taken as a single NOT gate. Here is the input. So here I get A bar, and B I can take a direct B, and we are using these two for the fashion to convert dot product. Dot product, it means NAND as a AND. So NAND as a AND I using two gates. NAND as a NAND I using two gates. So how we can develop? So these two input we have just applied here one another NAND gate. So what happen? A bar dot B whole bar. Okay, but I don't want this bar. I don't want this bar. So once again it converted by using NOT gate. So I get A bar dot B. So this portion, suppose I call X, it will be achieved. Now same way I want to achieve this Y. So same procedure, I take A direct, then B is a bar. So B inverted, and here is a B bar. Then it will be the multiplied. So I using one another gate here. So I achieve here A bar B whole bar, but I don't want this bar, so I just invert this by using this gate. So I get A bar, sorry, A dot B whole bar. So bar is here remove, so I get A dot B bar. It's the same as a Y. Now this X and Y I want addition. So for that addition, as we know, we require how much gate? We require 3 gate, and for using this 3 gate we can add our addition. So for that addition we applied the De Morgan's law. So according to De Morgan's law, we have to connect in a such a way. So this X and Y, just I write it here, X input and the Y input. Now I will be add with the first convert. So here is the X bar and the Y bar. Then I will be convert directly given into one another, means X Y whole bar. So apply here De Morgan's law is A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So I want this formula here. So here I will be applied for X bar dot Y bar whole bar, then X bar bar plus Y bar bar, it means X bar plus Y bar. So here I write as a X bar plus Y bar. So this is our X and this is our Y. So implement here, we get A bar B plus A B bar. So here I require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 XOR, for making XOR we require NAND gate. So we want to reduce this particular gates, requirement of the gates, but here is our particular design for using maximum numbers of NAND gate and design it. For next one is suppose XNOR, so we have to just insert here one another AND gate and make a XNOR gate like A plus circle B bar. So this is our up to this for the gate how to design, but our question is now to reduce, how to reduce these numbers of using gates. So we have to discuss. So here I just explain. Our title is NAND as XOR using minimum NAND gate, using minimum NAND gate. So first of all you just remember our is a 2 input A and B. This A and B both are inverted here. So I get A dot B bar. So this A dot B bar just I give here. Okay, and here I just input another NAND gate, and same way here I using another NAND gate. So what happened? This is A and this is B. So our output is A dot B bar whole bar, and here B dot A dot B bar whole bar. Okay, and these two once again I given into the another NAND gate. So I just received A dot B bar whole bar into B dot A dot B bar whole bar, and once again the another. Okay, so this will equivalent to XOR. How we can check our equation? From here we have to simplify. So here we have simplified according to De Morgan's law. We can apply here. So our the capital bar, then A dot A bar plus B bar, and bar is there. Okay, then dot B dot A bar plus B bar and whole bar. Okay, so for simplify here, I get A dot A bar plus B bar plus B A bar plus B bar. Once again I using dot to plus, means multiply to addition, we have to using De Morgan's law. Here is a just simplify the brackets, A B bar plus B A bar plus B B bar. Okay, so here is the value is 0 and here is also 0, so our final value is A B bar plus B A bar. Also you can write same way, A bar B plus A B bar, which is equivalent to A plus circle B. So these 4 gate minimum we can use to make NAND as a XNOR. Now minimum NAND as a XNOR, for design XNOR we just insert one another gate. So here as a we just develop one here, then one here, same way we can same this way, just you insert and just you convert the output of X, or we get here A plus circle B bar. So XNOR using 5 NAND gate. So this way we can explain about the NAND gate as a universal gate. So I hope you can understand. In next session we discuss about the NOR as a NAND gate or NOR as a universal gate. Okay, thank you very much.